Imagine a material that almost nothing sticks to, can withstand high temperatures, resists aggressive chemicals, and is used everywhere from frying pans to spacecraft. That material is Teflon. Most people know Teflon as the non-stick coating found on cookware, but its applications extend far beyond the kitchen. In reality, Teflon is one of the most important synthetic materials ever developed and has become essential in countless industries. But how does Teflon actually work, and how is it manufactured? Teflon is the trade name for a material called polytetrafluoroethylene, commonly abbreviated as PTFE. It belongs to a family of materials known as fluoropolymers and is composed primarily of carbon and fluorine atoms. The extremely strong bond between carbon and fluorine gives Teflon many of its remarkable properties. The discovery of Teflon happened almost completely by accident in 1938. Chemist Roy Plunkett was working on new refrigerant gases when he noticed that one of the gases stored inside a pressurized container had unexpectedly transformed into a strange white powder. This new material displayed extraordinary chemical resistance and an extremely low coefficient of friction. Scientists quickly realized its potential, and the material eventually became known as Teflon. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. The most famous property of Teflon is its non-stick behavior. The surface of Teflon has extremely low surface energy, meaning that other substances have difficulty attaching themselves to it. Water forms droplets, oils slide easily across the surface, and many materials simply cannot stick to it effectively. Another important characteristic is its exceptional chemical resistance. Teflon can withstand exposure to many acids, bases, solvents, and corrosive chemicals that would rapidly damage ordinary materials. This makes it valuable not only in cookware, but also in chemical plants, laboratories, industrial processing equipment, and many other demanding environments. The manufacturing process of Teflon begins with a chemical compound called tetrafluoroethylene. This gas serves as the primary building block for PTFE production. Under carefully controlled conditions, tetrafluoroethylene molecules undergo a process known as polymerization. During polymerization, individual molecules link together into extremely long molecular chains, creating polytetrafluoroethylene. The resulting material initially appears as a very fine white powder. Unlike many common plastics, however, Teflon cannot simply be melted and injection molded in the same way as polyethylene or polypropylene. Its exceptional thermal stability and unique molecular structure require specialized manufacturing techniques. One of the most common production methods involves compression molding followed by sintering. The PTFE powder is first compressed into the desired shape under high pressure. It is then heated to elevated temperatures where individual particles fuse together into a solid, uniform material. This process resembles certain manufacturing methods used in powder metallurgy and advanced ceramics. When Teflon is used as a coating, such as on cookware, the process is somewhat different. The metal surface is first cleaned and roughened to improve adhesion. Multiple layers of specially formulated Teflon coatings are then applied. Each layer is heated and cured at high temperatures, creating a durable non-stick surface permanently bonded to the underlying metal. Producing a high-quality Teflon coating requires considerable precision. The thickness, uniformity, adhesion, and durability of each layer must be carefully controlled. Modern non-stick cookware often contains several engineered layers designed to improve wear resistance, durability, scratch resistance, and heat distribution performance. What makes Teflon truly remarkable is its unique molecular structure. The carbon atoms form a long chain that is completely surrounded by fluorine atoms. These fluorine atoms act like a protective shield around the carbon backbone. Because carbon-fluorine bonds are among the strongest chemical bonds found in organic chemistry, the material becomes extraordinarily stable and resistant to chemical reactions. This molecular structure is also responsible for Teflon's extremely low coefficient of friction. In fact, PTFE is one of the slipperiest solid materials ever discovered. Surfaces coated with Teflon allow objects to slide easily with minimal resistance. This property makes Teflon valuable not only for cookware, but also for bearings, seals, valves, sliding mechanisms, industrial machinery, and countless engineering applications. Another major advantage is its thermal resistance. Teflon remains stable across a very wide temperature range and can typically withstand continuous operating temperatures of around 260 degrees Celsius. This allows it to perform reliably in environments where many ordinary plastics would soften, deform, or degrade. Despite its impressive properties, Teflon does have limitations. At very high temperatures, typically above 300 to 350 degrees Celsius, the material can begin to break down and release decomposition products. This is one reason manufacturers recommend avoiding prolonged overheating of empty non-stick pans. Under normal cooking conditions, however, properly manufactured Teflon coatings remain stable and safe. Teflon is also used far beyond household kitchens. It appears in aerospace systems, automotive components, electrical insulation, high-performance wiring, medical devices, industrial piping, seals, gaskets, and advanced manufacturing equipment. Its combination of chemical resistance, low friction, electrical insulation, and thermal stability makes it one of the most versatile engineering polymers ever developed. The true importance of Teflon extends far beyond non-stick cookware. In modern industry, PTFE is considered a strategic engineering material that enables many technologies that would otherwise be difficult or impossible to operate reliably. Its unique combination of properties allows it to solve problems that very few other materials can handle. One of the largest users of Teflon is the chemical industry. Many industrial chemicals are highly corrosive and can rapidly damage steel, aluminum, or conventional plastics. Teflon's exceptional chemical resistance makes it ideal for pipes, valves, pumps, seals, tanks, reactors, and processing equipment that must handle aggressive acids, solvents, and other hazardous substances. Teflon also plays a critical role in electrical and electronic systems. Because it is an excellent electrical insulator, it is widely used in cables, connectors, high-frequency communication equipment, radar systems, antennas, and advanced electronic components. Some aerospace and military communication systems rely on Teflon insulation because it remains stable under extreme temperatures and harsh operating conditions. The aerospace industry makes extensive use of PTFE as well. Aircraft, satellites, spacecraft, and rockets often operate in environments involving severe temperature fluctuations, intense radiation, vibration, and vacuum conditions. Teflon components help reduce friction, protect wiring, improve sealing systems, and increase long-term reliability in these demanding applications. Medical technology also benefits from Teflon's unique characteristics. Certain catheters, surgical instruments, laboratory equipment, and specialized medical devices incorporate PTFE because of its chemical stability and resistance to sterilization procedures. The material's durability and biological compatibility make it useful in many healthcare applications. In recent years, environmental concerns surrounding fluoropolymer manufacturing have received significant attention. While finished Teflon itself is highly stable, some chemicals historically used during manufacturing raised environmental and health concerns. As a result, manufacturers have developed newer production methods and alternative processing technologies designed to reduce environmental impact while maintaining the material's valuable properties. Because of these extraordinary capabilities, Teflon remains one of the most important engineering materials more than 80 years after its discovery. Few materials can simultaneously provide such high levels of chemical resistance, low friction, thermal stability, electrical insulation, and long-term durability. When viewed from a broader perspective, Teflon is far more than just the coating on a frying pan. It is one of the most important synthetic materials ever developed and has become deeply integrated into modern technology. From industrial manufacturing and electronics to medicine, aviation, and space exploration, Teflon has helped engineers solve problems that many conventional materials simply could not handle. The secret behind Teflon's success lies in its molecular architecture. The powerful bonds between carbon and fluorine create a material that is remarkably resistant to heat, chemicals, moisture, and wear. At the same time, its extremely low surface energy and low friction make it one of the most slippery materials ever created. Few engineering materials combine so many useful properties in a single substance. It is also fascinating that Teflon was discovered entirely by accident. What began as an unexpected byproduct during refrigerant research eventually became a material used in countless industries worldwide. Many important scientific breakthroughs have occurred by chance, but very few have had such a widespread impact on technology and everyday life. The future of Teflon and other advanced fluoropolymers will likely involve improved manufacturing processes, greater environmental sustainability, and new specialized applications. Researchers continue developing enhanced fluoropolymer materials with improved durability, performance, and efficiency for use in emerging technologies. Yet the fundamental principle remains unchanged. Teflon is created through the polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene, forming long molecular chains protected by fluorine atoms. This unique structure gives PTFE its extraordinary properties and has transformed it into one of the most durable, chemically resistant, low-friction, and versatile engineering materials in modern civilization. From non-stick cookware and industrial machinery to aircraft, satellites, and spacecraft, Teflon continues to play a vital role in technologies all around us.